can see here what was done on Wells. He had a total, I'm going to show you him in a second, but he had a total of 3,059 grafts. So 3,059 grafts, and you can see we didn't do much here, Wells. This is where you had your existing hair, but we really just packed it in. And we were able to place into this relatively limited area, packed it in. You can see on this side too, 3,059 grafts. So it's really packed in, going all the way up into the existing hairs. And when we take a look at him, this is 1 day out, and now we can see him. He's exactly he's just about 5.5 months out. He's just starting to grow. I mean, he's just starting to really show up, and you can see all the hairs that are growing in. So if you look at it like this, you really get an appreciation for how things are growing. You see on this side too, the hairs are all around 1 inch long, so that means they've been growing just about 2 months. You've been using Rogaine, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that helps accelerate the regrowth. And but you can really see, and how he's growing in. A couple areas where it's still a little slow in growing, but overall, it's. I mean, this looks just so solid. It just, to have a kind of result like this at just 5.5 months, I mean, it's great. What do you think?
Oh, I'm thrilled. Yeah.
And when did it start growing in?
When did it start?
Yeah.
I think about the 4-month mark, it started to grow in.
Okay. Which makes sense, because these are just over 1 inch long, which would be because it grows around 1.5 inches half an inch every month.
I think that's right. It was, if I remember correctly, it was approximately 4 months.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, looks great.